Hello students of grade 11 applied maths. Today we'll do exercise 13.2 based on derivatives from question number 5. Before we start the question number 5, let's review the formula. These are the formula. Derivative of constant term is 0. Derivative of x to the power n is nx to the power n minus 1. Derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. Derivative of a to the power x is a to the power x log a. And the derivative of log x is 1 by x, and for trigonometric function, derivative of sin x is cos x is minus sin x, tan x is sec square x, cot x is minus cos x square x, sec x is sec x tan x, and cosec x is minus cosec cot x. For product rule of derivative uv, if there are two functions, first we take u as constant, then we find the derivative of v, then we take v as constant and we find the derivative of u. Similarly, product rule with three function also we do like that. We keep first two constant, derive the third one. We keep first and third constant and derive the second one. We keep second and third constant and derive the first one. In product rule, this is the formula. Denominator, we square the denominator, then first we take constant of the denominator and derive numerator, minus we take numerator constant and derive denominator. Based on this formula only, we're going to do exercise 13.2 from question number 5. So they have given a function here, fx equal to x to the power 100 by 100. So whatever is given, you can write fx is x power 100 by 100 plus x to the power 99 by 99, plus it goes on till x squared by 2 plus x plus 1. Now when we derive this 100 as per the formula, x to the power 100, as per the formula, this 100 power will come down, then 1 power less, n minus 1, it will become 99. 100x to the power 99. Since the formula is like this, for x to the power n, the formula is n x n minus 1. Here n is 100, so 100 x to the power n minus 1. 100 minus 1 is 99. So if we derive this, we'll get 100 x to the power 99. If you derive this, we'll get 99 x to the power 98, 1 power less. So let us find the derivation of fx, that is f dash x. If I derive this, I'll get 100 x to the power 99. I'm doing directly by 100. If I derive x to the power 99, I'll get 99 x to the power 98 by 99. It will go on like that. If I derive 2 to the power x, we'll get 2x only. Power 1, if we don't write also, is fine. If we derive x, we get 1, and if we derive constant, we get 0. So no need to write 0. You are getting f dash x equal to, if I cancel this, keep on cancelling, you'll get x to the power 99 plus x to the power 98 plus goes on x plus 1. Now your question is to find, you have to prove that f dash 1 is equal to 100 f dash 0. So let us find f dash 1. That means in place of x, we'll put 1. 1 to the power 98 plus plus 1 plus 1. So that means till here power is 1. That means it will go 1 plus 1 plus plus 1 plus 1. It will become till 100 time, okay? Because from here till here is 99. Power is 99. Till here is 99. Power 1 to till 99. So that means from here to here is 99 plus 1 is, it will be 100. Let us find 100 of, or f dash 0. F dash 0 will be, in place of x, you'll put 0. You'll get only 1. So any 0 to the power anything is always 0, so and then you are left with 1. Therefore we can say that f dash 1 will be equal to 100 f dash 0. How? Because this is 100, this is 100 into 1, answer is same. Proved, hence proof. Okay, let's do question number 6. Find the derivative of this one for some value of x. So let us take fx as whatever is given, x to the power n plus a x to the power n minus 1 plus a square x to the power n minus 1, sorry, n minus 2 plus dot 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 plus so let us find f dash x. If I derive x to the power n, this power comes down n and the power will become 1 less n minus 1. This power will come down, x n minus 2 power will become 1 less here, a square, this power will come down, n minus 2, here the power will become less, become n minus 3. It will keep going, a to the power n minus 1, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of constant is 0. So your answer is n x to the power n minus 1 plus a n minus 1 x to the power n minus 2 plus a square n minus 2 x to the power n minus 3 plus dot 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 plus a to the power n minus 1. So this is your answer. Okay, when you derive this, you are getting this. Let's do question number 7. We have 6 questions in question number 7. We have 3 questions in question number 7. Let's derive this. So since this is a product, we can first multiply and do also, no problem. I'll consider let y equal to we can multiply and do, no problem. Okay, or you can do directly also by using product rule. Dy by dx. First we'll keep this one constant and we'll derive this, plus we can keep this one constant and we'll derive this. First we're keeping the first term constant and we're deriving this, and plus we're keeping this one constant and deriving the first function. So derivation of x is 1, derivation of constant is 0, so we don't need to write, so only 1 is left. Derivation of constant x is 1, so you are left with x minus a, x minus b, so x is 2x minus a minus b is your answer. Similarly, let us do this. Let y equal to so we can write y equal to 2 times x square plus b. Okay, so derivation dy by dx. When you derive, first you keep the first term constant, ax square plus b, then we'll derive the second term, no space I'm doing here, plus I'll keep this one constant now and we'll derive the first term. So this is ax square plus b, constant will keep as it is. When you derive this term, for this it is 0. Now for this, a is a. When you derive, x square will get 2x, because as per the formula, again, we're using the formula for this. Okay, When we derive x squared, d by dx x squared, this power will come down to, and this will be x to the power 2 minus 1. That means 2 to 2x. 2 minus 1 means you will get the power as 1. We don't have to write 1. That means we get 2x only. So when we are deriving ax square, a is constant, I'm writing as this, and this is for x square, we get 2x. Similarly here, ax square plus b, when you derive this, we'll get 2x. A was constant, keep as it is. Now you can multiply. If I multiply these two, or you can write 2ax these are same only, so 2 plus 2 will be 4ax square plus b. This is the answer. For this we have to use division rule, quotient rule. I'm showing the question, writing the quotient rule here. If we're deriving u by v, we square the denominator, we derive the numerator first, minus we derive the denominator. So what you'll do, first we'll square the denominator as per the rule. Then this will be constant. We'll derive the numerator. Minus, now x minus a will be constant. We'll find the derivative of x minus b. X minus b, derivation of x is 1 only. For a is 0, no need to write. Derivation of x is 1 only. Now numerator you have x minus b whole square. Denominator as it is. Numerator you just multiply x minus b. If you multiply with 1, minus x plus a. So x minus x is cancelled. You are left with a minus b by x minus b whole square. This is the answer. Let's do question number 8. Similar to last question only, we'll consider let y equal to just writing y equal to so we'll use division rule. Dy by dx will be, we'll square the denominator x minus a whole square. We'll write x minus a and we'll derive the numerator. Minus, we'll keep this one as constant now, and we'll derive the denominator. So numerator will be same as it is. Oh, sorry, denominator will be same as it is, x minus a whole square. X minus a. When you derive a n is 0, so forget about this. When we derive x to the power n, directly formula n x n minus 1. Minus this one you keep as it is, xn minus a n. When you derive x, we get only 1. A is 0, so no need to write. We can multiply. If you multiply, it will become n x to the power n. Here x to the power 1 is there. X to the power 1 and x to the power n minus 1 will be x to the 1 plus n minus 1, 110, we get x to the power n, minus an x to the power n minus 1. If you multiply by 1, we get the same thing, xn minus minus is plus an. So we can keep the answer as it is. This is your answer. Let's derive this. Let y equal to 2x minus 3 by 4. dy by dx will be, if you derive 2x, you get only 2. If you derive the constant term, you'll get 0. So answer is only 2. Here we can use product rule. Let y equal to so dy by dx will be, first we can keep this one as constant, and we can derive, plus we can keep this one as constant, alright, here, and we'll derive the first term. So constant you write as this, 5x cubed plus 3x minus 1. When you derive x, you get only 1. So forget about the constant term. When you derive a constant term, it's 0, so no need to write. Now write this one, x minus 1. When you derive 5x cubed, see, I'm just doing rough here. Five is constant, we can write as it is. Now we are going to derive this only. This will be 3 to the power 3x square. Power will be 1 less. That means we're getting 15x square. So we can write directly this one. 3 5 is 15x square. Derivation of 3x will be only 3. Now you can multiply and write. Multiply with x. X into 15 is 15x cubed plus 3x minus 15x square minus 3. Arrange and solve it. 5x cubed plus 15 is 20 x cubed, then minus 15x square. 3x plus 3x is 6x, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. This is your answer. Let's do question number 3. Same. We can solve and derive also, no problem. This you can write 5 plus 3x by, since it's negative power, you can bring it down, x to the x cubed. Now you can derive. When you derive, numerator will be, you have to square, you have to use quotient rule, division rule. So x cubed is constant, we'll derive. Minus 5 plus 3x is constant, and we'll derive x cubed. This will become x power 6. When you derive 5 is 0. When you derive 3x, it will be 3 only. So minus, if you derive x cubed, you'll get 3x square. As per the formula, 3 will come down, then power will become 1 less, 3x square. So we're getting 3x cubed minus 3 5 is 15x square, plus minus is minus, 3 3 is 9x cubed. This will become minus 6x cubed minus 15x squared by x6 minus 3x square is common, so you are left with 2x plus 3 by x6. Whatever you can cancel it. So your answer is minus 3 2x plus 3 by x power 4. Similarly, you have to do this one. I'll just give you a hint and you can solve it afterward. This is x power 5. You can do as a homework. This x power 9 comes down for negative power. Take the LCM. So you'll get 3x power 9 minus 6. After the LCM, you can cancel the power. This will become 4. 3x power 9 minus 6 by x power 4. Now derive this to get the answer, okay? You can do as a homework. Your answer must be 15x power 9 plus 24 by x power 5. You must get this answer. Do as a homework. This one also, let y equal to then write 1 by x power 4 take the LCM, x power 5, you get 3x power 5 minus 4. X power 9. So derive this using division rule, or let me do for you. Downside will be square d by dx 3x5 minus 4 minus 3x5 minus 4 by d by dx. We'll derive this x power 9. When you derive this, you'll get 3 5 is 15 x power 4. For this, no need to do constant. If you derive this, we'll get 9x to the power 8, 1 power less. This is 15 x to the power 13 minus 39 is 27 x to the power 13 minus minus is plus 36 x to the power 8 by these two we can solve. You'll get 15 minus 27 is minus 12 x power 13 plus 36 x power 8 by x power 18. Take the common. I'm doing here. Common is minus 12 x power 8. You'll get x power 5 minus 3. So we can cut, we'll get x power 10. This is the final answer, okay? Let's derive this. We'll use division rule here also, here also. Let us do here. Minus 2 d by dx x plus 1. Similarly, we'll use a formula here also. 3x minus 1 whole square will derive x square minus x square will derive so this is x plus 1, derivation of something is 0, minus 2, derivation of x is 1. Three x minus 1, derivation of x square is 2x, derivation of 3x is 3. We don't have to find for constant, it's 0, so no need to write. This is 0 only. You're left with 2 on the 2 minus 2 by. This is 3, 2 is 6x minus 2, 6x square minus 2x minus 3x square by. So your answer is minus 2 by. You can solve this. Minus 3x square minus 2x by. A minus is common. Minus minus become plus. This is your final answer. If you want, you can take x common also, no problem. Okay. Let's do this. Question number 11. Let y equal to sin x cos x. So dy by dx will be, first sin x is constant, we derive cos x, second term. Then cos x is constant when we will derive sin x. You check the formula. When you derive sin x, what's the formula? Derivation of sin is cos and derivation of cos is minus sin. We just have to use the formula only. Derivation of cos is minus sin. And derivation of sin is cos. So you're getting minus sin square x plus cos square x. This is your final answer. Let y equal to sec x. So dy by dx will be so sec, you can use the direct formula only. What is the derivation of x? Sec x, it is sec x tan x. So you're done. Derivation of sec is finish. Let's do this. Dy by dx is 4, okay? Derivation of sec x is sec x tan x. And derivation of cos x is minus sin x. So your answer is 5 sec x tan x minus 4 sin x. Similarly, you can do this one as a homework. Direct formula only. This one also you can do homework. Put the value direct formula. This one also you can do the homework. Let me do this. We'll derive 10x and sec x. Derivation of 10x is sec square x, and derivation of sec x is sec x 10x. You can take sec x common and you can write 2 sec x minus 10x. This can be your answer. You just have to use product rule here like this and get the answer. Use product rule and get the answer. First, cosec x common, constant, and we'll derive cot x plus cot x common and we'll derive cosec x. Derivation of cot x is minus cosec square x. You need to check the formula. Derivation of cot x is minus cosec square x, and cosec x is minus cosec cot. So plus, I'll write cot x and we'll write minus cosec cot x. So this will be minus cosec cube x minus cosec x and cot square x. This is your answer. You can use division rule to solve this. 1 plus sin x, derive cos x, minus cos x, derive sin x. One plus sin x. If we derive cos x, we get minus sin x. If we derive sin x, we get cos x. So no need to think about 1 is 0. Now multiply minus sin x minus sin square x minus cos square x by here minus common sin square x plus cos square x. This is always 1. Sin square plus cos square is 1. You have done in trigonometry. In grade 10 also. Take minus common. You are left with sin x plus 1. Whole square means we can cancel 1. You are left with minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. This is your answer. Let's do this one. Let y equal to sin 5x. First we have to derive as a whole, and we have to derive this inside 5x also. So when you derive this one as a whole, it will be cos 5x, and when you derive this 5x, it will be 5. So answer is 5 cos 5x. This is your final answer. You can pause the video and write the solution. Thank you.